Hello again, Chris Carroll here today. Today's word we are talking about is a release of option. A lot of times, as we've talked a lot about option agreements being a critical document, we do record those options with the county, and that is what protects us and gives us the ability to do something with that property. It doesn't always work out as we hope it will, and sometimes that is something that would need to be released. A lot of times you don't even know that it needs to be released until something else happens with that property down the road, and other times you'll release it right at the end of the term. It really depends on each deal. But essentially you would just fill out the paperwork and take that to the county also as a recorded document, which would then release that option from consideration. You can make money on that as well as an investor. A lot of times in a short sale situation or some other types of situations, if you are unable to do something with the property, someone else may come in and try and purchase that property. And at that time, you may be able to charge an option release fee, but not always. But basically, this is the way that you would release the option from the public records, thus giving a clear title to somebody else trying to do something with that property.